Hi friends. Okay, here is the interview questions. 3 questions are there totally. I want to show you the solution. Okay, for your sake, I am zooming a little bit, and if first of all, I will explain the query. What they are asking. Okay, so here it is. They like to find the lowest company name as per lower bid. Okay, lowest bid. Okay, so how to it can be done? There are company names and these are bidders. Okay, so we have to find the lowest bid and we have to find the company name. Now it's very easy, guys. First of all, what they are asking, we have to find the lowest bid. Lowest bid always be minimum. So select this range. Okay, control enter. So lowest bid will be 205, but we have to get the company name, not the lowest bid. Okay, we have to get the company name. So what you will do, you just use a index function to find the lowest bid. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, how you will do, index of what you want the company name, right? So select the company name. Select the company name. I'm freezing the company name because I have to drag the formula towards rows. So I'm locking always like a column. It should not move to column and it should not move to row. For that reason, I freeze the all company names. Okay. Now, what you have to find? You have to find the minimum. So I will use a match function where it can pick up the position where it finds. Okay, the position min of. I'm not freezing because when I drag formula, it should go correspondingly like this. So I'm not freezing. And where you want to find here. In this range, it is there. So here also, I'm not freezing anything. Okay, comma 0. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Let us check to verify is it right or wrong by click over here and press F9. So it is showing 3. Is it right in third position? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is in third position. Okay, so what I'll do here, Control Z, Control Enter. It's a normal function. So it is picking the company name, right? All company names it is picking. But now, the company people said you are not supposed to use a helper column for that. So what I'll do, just I'll see the color of this. This is red. Okay, so you have what you'll do, just go to here and copy this one, Control C, but not equal sign, only the function, but don't use equal sign. And click over here. I don't know, my mouse will not listen to me. Okay, Control V. Now it became an array now because we are using an array function over here. We are using array function. It's actually match is expecting only the lookup value, but we gave a whole function over there. So it became an array now. So what you will use for that, you have to use Control, Shift and Enter. It will not change the solution. It will be like that only. Okay, now you can delete also, it will work because already we pasted the formula over in the another formula, so it can work. Okay, this is the first query, and if anybody having any doubts in this query, please let me know. Match will always pick up the position where it is located in a range. With the help of match only, we found the company name. But it's an array function. Okay. Now, coming to second solution. Here we can use some product also. But the person, the employer, I mean, so the interviewer said, you are not supposed to use some product. I'll show you some product also, but I'll show you another method with the some product. First of all, I'll show you some product. Okay, what I'll do, just I will place equal sign and select whole thing, the whole formula F4 into. In previous video, I explained you true into 1, 1, true into 10, 10. True into any number is equal to number. False into any number equal to 0. Now, what I'll do is anything F4 equal to this. Now, it will become a true function. F9, see. True and falses. Here also, I will make it F9, see. All numbers are there. Now, I will let us check whether it's working or not. It is working. Let's see. For GHI, 41, 28, 38, 20, double 38 is there, 29 and 13 is there. See, this one. Okay. Control Z. Now you can use some product over here. But company people said you are not supposed to use the some product. I will show you how to do without some product. Index of whole table. I'm taking because whole table. Okay, this is the rank which I need. Okay, comma, and now if you'll take a single range, it will not ask a column number, all those things. But you took whole table, so it will ask all rows as well as columns. So what I'll do here, there is a magic. For row, I'm doing match to get the value F4, comma 0. It will pick up the exact position where GHI is there. But for column, what you will do? Because we have taken whole table, definitely they will need a column. So for that, you have to if you want the whole column, just use comma 0 or skip it like that only. It will pick up all columns as per the criteria which we mentioned over GHI. Wherever GHI is there, it will pick up all rows like this. Okay. If you want the whole column, then just use 0 over here, comma, and skip that one. Okay. Whichever do you want the whole column, skip that one. That's it. It will give you the answer. See what I'll do. Now here I will keep another comma over here. Now I'll press F9. See, all are came as per 41, 28, 38, 38, 29, 13. All are there. Simply I use some product over here. Some product. Close parenthesis. It can handle array. Enter. Both are same. Okay. In some companies, they will definitely ask this, that don't use sum if some product and find the value as per the criteria. Then you have to use this one. If I change DEF, see, DEF, this one. Okay. Let's try to find it out the color. Okay, highlight that one. See how I highlight. Let's try. Alt HLN. Sorry. Alt HLN. I'm locking this one equal to, where is the criteria? Now we have to find the criteria. This one. I'm freezing everywhere into this one. Here is the magic, guys. It has to check only the row but not the column. It has to check like this but not like this. Okay, then only it will pick up the proper one. Format, bold, fill with a purple, font will be white or any other color like this. So it will look like this. See, If I change this one, easily we can find it out, that one. Okay, this is the advanced, I mean to say that added extra one, okay, to understand you better. Why is it? Okay, why is it? Okay, two queries are over, and coming back to third query. What the person is saying, remember that one. What the person is saying, that you have to find the age of a person at total age. Okay. Okay, the length of a person, the length of a character is 1. Okay, wherever it finds the 1, you have to pick up that name and find the total of that. Okay, every time what you'll do, every time persons will do like this. But what I'll do, here what I'll do, and Mr. Vijay, are you having any doubt? Okay, leave it off. Okay, is equal to, what I did here, I did that, first of all, we have to get the VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP of what I'll do here, there's a logic magic is there for a character, for single character, question mark. For more than one character, Excel. For special characters, tilde. These are the things we will use in Excel. So we want to find the single character. So what you'll do, VLOOKUP of like this. If you'll do like this, it will pick up the first character. Okay, first character F4, comma 2, comma 0. Now F9. See, it will pick up this one. Where it is, see, single A1. Okay, single A1, here it is. See here. Okay. Control Enter 1. Okay. But whenever we change this one, will it change? No, it will not change. So we have to make that one a dynamic way. Okay, robust way we have to make that one. How you'll do? Instead of doing like this, what you'll do, a repeat of question mark. How many times? As per the criteria, 2 times. F4, close parenthesis, comma. So what it will do, lookup value will be F9. See, it is pick upping the 2 characters. It will pick upping the 2 characters, only 2 characters. If I press enter, it will pick up this 2 characters length age. If I'll do like this 3, it will pick up the 3rd character's length. See here. Suppose if I pick up the, how many are there? 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of doing all those things, I will use the length of function to find how many characters are there. 10. So what I'll do here, I will use a 10. See, the 10th character will be, age will be this much. Okay. Whenever you change the criteria, automatically it will change the result output. Okay. And now the person wants to add the, if it is any duplicates are there. So the person wants to add those names. See, triple A here is there, and here also there. So the total should be 13. Okay, by using sum if, not 13, sorry, 3 and 3. 3 and 3. So it will be 6. Okay. So you have to add like that. Now, how to add that one? By using sum is. Sum is, sum range, here the magic, F4, comma, the criteria range, this one, same, F4. Now the criteria will be like this, a repeat of question mark these many times. So we are telling to SUMIF to find 4 characters length of a value and do the sum. Is it right? I have to 4th character. Okay, where it is? Only 1 is there, I think so. So it is showing only 4. If I make it another like this, yeah. Let me check. Is it working or not? If not working, I will show you another method. See, it is working. Okay, 4 characters length total. Okay, understood, guys? Or do you want anything? And here I will do this one also. What you'll say, the conditional format for that is equal to length of this is equal to this F4. Simply I press enter. So it is not equal. Okay, it is not a equal sign. Wherever it finds the same length of a character, it will show us the true. So what I'll do here, F2, I'll copy this whole formula from here and I'll select the range, Alt H L N, and I'll go here, Control V. Now what I'll do here, it should not move the columns. It should not move the columns. It should check only in a row wise. So I logged the column but not the row. And format will be the different one, filled with some green, or font will be the white to look better. See. So wherever it finds the 4 length characters, it will show you the 4. See, 2 are there. If I change 4 to 10, see, here totally how many are there? 3 are there. We can use this one also. By using COUNTIF also, we can use the same procedure. COUNTIF criteria range. This one criteria range, F4. What will be the criteria? Repeat the same thing. Question mark, the same thing. How many times? The length of a character, these many times. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Enter. So it is showing 3 are there. The 10 length character or 3 are there. The total is 10. Okay, the first occurrence or a VLOOKUP, if it is duplicate, it will pick up the first occurrent value. So it is pick up in 10 over here. Okay, guys. And if you want to know more about this one, please let me know in the comment box. If you are not understand also, I'm here to explain you guys. Signing off, Rajnikant, Excel Guru.